Hello, Abby. My name's Ben. Can I examine your hands?
Yes.
Just hold them out in front of you on the table.
Begin by looking for muscle wasting,
Roll them over for me.
particularly in the thenar and hypothenar eminences. Then test the function of the nerves in turn, starting with the median nerve.
And with your right hand, lay it completely flat on the table, keeping your thumb close to your palm. Point it up towards the ceiling.
Test for power in thumb abduction.
And relax. And now touch the tip of your thumb with the tip of your little finger. Make a pincer grip. Don't let me break it.
And power in opposition.
And relax.
Next we test the muscles supplied by the ulnar nerve.
And roll your hand back over. And now I want you to grip the card between your little and ring finger and stop me from pulling the card away.
Testing adduction of the little finger.
Relax. And now I want you to push out with your index finger against my index finger.
And abduction of the index finger.
I want you to grip the card, like me, with the sides of your thumbs and your index fingers, and don't let me pull it away.
If adductor pollicis is weak, the patient will flex the thumb in order to grip the
And
card.
relax.
Next we test radial nerve motor function,
Can I take this hand?
starting with finger extension.
Now push your fingers out straight against me.
Then wrist extension.
Now push your hand up against me.
And finally thumb extension.
Now point your thumb up towards the ceiling and stop me from pushing it down.
Next we test the nerve's
And
sensory
now rest your
function.
hand on the table with the palm facing up. Can you feel me touching you there?
Supplied by the ulnar nerve,
And there?
the median nerve,
And roll your hand over.
and the radial nerve.
And can you feel me touching you there?
Yes.
Thank you very much.